Hello everyone, myself Jasmine Ahmed. I am your educator for information technology for class 9 and class 10 code 402. So I am here for class 10 class today. So in this class we will discuss linking spreadsheet data. Okay, in linking spreadsheet data, let us discuss the multiple choice question. The first question is insert sheet dialog box can be invoked from dash. That means insert sheet dialog box can be opened by using which menu. There are several menus available. We know that there are several menus: file menu, edit menu, view menu, insert, format, style, sheet, data, tool, window, help. Okay, so among all these menu, which menu is used to for insert sheet dialog? For insert sheet dialog, which menu we use? Let us check. So sheet menu. In sheet menu, is it present? Yes. Insert sheet is present in sheet menu. In the question, it is talking about this insert sheet dialog box. Is it available in insert? Is it available in insert? No, it is not available. Is it available in tool? Is it available? No, it is not available. Is it available in window? No. So which one is correct answer? This one. In sheet menu, the insert sheet option is used to open the insert sheet dialog box. Is it clear? So the next question is dash refers to cell G5 of sheet named my sheet. Name of the sheet is my sheet, and it is talking about which cell address? It is talking about G5. So for this, which one is the correct option? Which is the correct format, you can say? So let us check. So for example, this is already I have created. This is my sheet. This is the name of the sheet. What is the name of the sheet? The name of the sheet is my sheet. If you want to refer, if you want to link sheet 2 with my sheet, then how you will link? By using, for example, equal to. Okay, equal to, then you will go to my sheet, which option? G5. Am I correct? G5. Okay. So while clicking on G5, you can observe that it is written as dollar my sheet dot G5. Let us check here. Yes, it is dollar my sheet dot G5. Right. So which one is correct? So in between my sheet and the cell address, there is a dot being used. Okay, there is a dot used. So let us check in the option. In the first option, it is given my sheet dot. It is correct, my sheet dot. But in the cell address, it is given a single quote, which is not possible. Which is not possible. So this is absolutely wrong option. Okay. The next one is given as underscore. This underscore is not possible. Okay. Then this one, my sheet dot G5. Absolutely, it is correct. So it is given within, according to the rule, a single code is required. A single code is there in the sheet name. Then another one is my sheet. It is correct. But here also, what problem? The single code is being used. So this option is also not correct. Okay. Next one, the path of a file has how many slash? The path of any kind of uh, file has three slashes. Three slashes. Already in the referencing using keyboard, we have discussed that for the path we use how many slash? We use three slashes. Okay. Next question, which of the following feature is used to jump to a different spreadsheet from the current spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc? For example, this is one spreadsheet. This is one spreadsheet. It is not talking about the sheet. It is talking about the spreadsheet. Okay. From this application, if you want to jump to another application, if you want to jump to another application, then what is required? We know that hyperlink is used to jump from one location to another location. Okay, so we will use hyperlink to jump to a different spreadsheet from our current spreadsheet. Okay. Next is fill in the blanks. A relative hyperlink stores the location with respect to the current location. What happens in relative hyperlink? What happens in relative hyperlink? For example, in relative hyperlink, what happens? Let me take one pen. So in relative hyperlink, this is a folder. Okay, in any drive, you can create your own folder. In that folder, you will put your start, where you want to put the hyperlink start file. This is the start file, for example. So it may refers as start file, and this one is your what? This one is your target file. This one is your target file. So both are relative to each other, both are in the same folder. Okay, in relative hyperlink, what happened? Both the start and the target should be in the same folder in your computer system. In your computer system, for example, if you are linking a spreadsheet, then both the start and the target should be in the same location. That means in the same folder. For example, this folder is class 10. Class, pardon my handwriting because I'm not using any pad to write. I'm using my mouse only. So this is class 10 folder. Okay. So in relative hyperlink, if you, for example, if you are moving this target to different folder, if you are moving this target to different folder, then the link will be breaked. So this is according to the rules. We know that in relative hyperlink, what happened? If we move the target to different location, then there will be no relation between the start and the target, right? So what it is telling, a relative hyperlink stores the location with respect to the current location. Both are in the current location. If you are moving, then it will break. Okay. The next one is, while inserting tables from a web page, while inserting any kind of table from any web page, if you are inserting table from any web page, okay, then what is used? HTML underscore all command is used to select the entire HTML document. So web page is generated by using what? Web page is created by using HTML. Okay. So if you are selecting any table, then which command is used? HTML underscore all. Then the extension of LibreOffice base is what? The file extension for LibreOffice base is .odb. We have already discussed the extension for what? Spreadsheet. What was the extension for spreadsheet? It was .odt. And the extension for LibreOffice is what? .odb. Is it correct? Is it clear? Then single quotes are used to enclose sheet names, as there might be a space within any kind of sheet name. So this, according in this example, what happened? If there is a space, if there is a space, then that space will be treated like a that space is also treated like a characters. Okay, if you are giving any quote, if you are giving any quote, so it will be treated like what? It will be treated like single word. So that is why single quote are used. Okay, single quote are used while there, if there is a space, then single quote is used. Okay, the from file option of insert sheet dialog box allows to insert sheet from another file. So for example, this one, so there is a from file option. Okay, if you will browse, then it will open one page. In that page, what happened? In that page, you can, from that page you can insert another spreadsheet application to your this spreadsheet application. Okay, so insert sheet dialog. Then true and false. A sheet can only be added before the current sheet. No, it is false. A sheet cannot be only added before the current sheet. It can be added after the current sheet also, before the current sheet also. Okay. For example, you can insert after also. You are creating here. For example, you have selected this one and you are inserting any sheet. Then it will. It is not happening, but let me check. From this dialog box. So before current sheet, after current sheet, whatever sheet, for example, I have selected sheet 3. Okay, I have selected sheet 3 and you want to insert sheet, for the name of the sheet is what? Sheet 6. Okay, sheet 6. So sheet 6 will be inserted, it will be inserted after which one? After sheet 3. Look, after sheet 3. So it is, and also now let us check before. What happens? How? So before current sheet. Okay. So for example, sheet 6 is selected. So sheet 7 will be inserted in which position? Before sheet 6. That means in between sheet 3 and sheet 6. In between sheet 3 and sheet 6. Which sheet is inserted right now? Sheet 7. So it is absolutely false. If sales sheet has a reference to cost sheet, then any change made to cost sheet will be reflected in the sales sheet as well. If two sheets are linked to each other, then any change in one sheet will be reflected to that another sheet. It is very true. Linked sheet will reflect each other. Okay. It is not possible to link a sheet as a reference in another sheet. No, it is possible to link any kind of sheet to another sheet. So it is false. We can insert data from a table created on a web page into a spreadsheet. What it is telling, we can insert data from a table. Yes, we can insert data from a table created on a web page. Already in this option we have studied the from web page we can insert table. So it is true. Hyperlink once created on a sheet cannot be deleted. It is wrong. Hyperlink once created can be deleted anytime. So this is the end of today's class. I hope this is my sessions are helping all of you, because I have created small video, small session to each one of you, so that you can look at that portion and you can study. A long video may be problematic for now. Afterward, in the next session, in the next year, I will start with all the conceptual class. But for now, I think this will be beneficial for all the board exam students, because this is a very short video, and short video will help everyone to reach out and secure good marks. So students, it's my request and suggestion, you can say, that don't forget to study all the true and false and all the fill in the blanks and MCQ, because each and every portion are related to the chapter. So if all the portion will be clear, then you will be confident about your board exam. Okay, so thank you everyone. Again, we will meet in our next class. Thank you. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on the like button, and also your comment is very much valuable. So it will help me to improve myself. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.